How does kosher food culture differ between Ashkenazi and Sephardic Jews? Have you ever wondered how kosher food culture varies between Ashkenazi and Sephardic Jews? While both groups follow the same fundamental principles of Kashrut, their customs and food traditions are quite different. Let's break it down. First, the geographical origins of these two groups play a big role in their cuisine. Ashkenazi Jews hail from Eastern and Central Europe, where the colder climate influenced their traditional dishes. You will find comfort foods like bagels, matzah ball soup, gefilte fish, and kugel in their kitchens. On the other hand, Sephardic Jews come from Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and North African regions. Their warmer climates lead to spicier and more colorful dishes such as adafina, shakshuka, and mafleta. Both traditions share staples like challah and cholent, but the recipes and seasonings can be quite distinct. Next, let's talk about Passover customs. During this holiday, both groups avoid chametz, which is leavened bread. However, Ashkenazi Jews traditionally do not eat kitniyot, which includes legumes, rice, corn, and peanuts. In contrast, Sephardic Jews allow these foods. This difference creates unique Passover menus, and it can affect communal meals. For instance, some Ashkenazi Jews may choose not to eat at a Sephardic home during Passover if they strictly observe their own traditions. When it comes to Halachic practices or Jewish legal interpretations, Ashkenazi Jews often follow stricter guidelines in certain areas of Kashrut. They may have more stringent rules about kashering utensils and acceptable types of poultry. Sephardic Jews might adopt more lenient positions in these areas, but they can be stricter in others. Generally, food certified kosher under Ashkenazi supervision is acceptable to Sephardic Jews, although they may consult their rabbis on specific customs. Culinary traditions also reflected these kashrut principles. Both groups adhere to the core kosher laws, such as not mixing meat and dairy and eating only kosher species. However, Ashkenazi dishes often feature root vegetables and preserved fish, while Sephardic cuisine incorporates fresh vegetables, spices, and legumes. This reflects their regional agricultural environments and how they adapt kashrut to local foods. Lastly, the differences extend beyond food to community and ritual practices. For example, synagogue melodies and holiday rituals can influence how food is prepared and consumed. Sephardic Passover seders may include unique liturgical elements and foods that are not part of Ashkenazi practice. In summary, while both Ashkenazi and Sephardic Jews observe kashrut laws, their food cultures differ due to historical, geographical, and halachic factors. These differences shape their traditional dishes, holiday observances, and kosher supervision practices, showcasing a rich diversity within the shared framework of kosher dietary laws.